Hello everyone, Lorraine here again, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, and my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a product called Leads Transformers Challenge. Now this is brought to you by a lady called Ivana, who is a mum and has been using this product herself to grow her affiliate business and marketing business. And so basically, Leads Transformer Challenge is a training course which shows you how to attract leads by using a Facebook platform. And the training is being split into days, and it's a step-by-step training process. All you need to do is follow the videos and implement each day everything that Ivana is teaching in order to attract the leads to your business and then convert those into sales. So what I want to do today is to have a quick look over at my bonus page, which I'll show you first, and I'll tell you about the prices of the funnel, and I will tell you about my bonuses that I have, and all the bonuses will be available through my link when you purchase the product. So my link will be in the description below this video. And we'll have a look at the sales page, and then if you stick around to the end of the video, then I'll go to the members area and show you how Ivana has put the product together. Okay, let's go now to my bonus page. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page for Leads Transformers Challenge. Basically, like I say, it's a training video training program showing you how to attract leads through the Facebook platform. Now, all of these bonuses are available throughout this launch, and so all you need to do to receive these bonuses is click through any of these orange buttons on my bonus website, and then you will be taken to the sales page of Leads Transformers Challenge. So the link for my bonus page is in the description below this video, and let's now take a quick look at the prices on the funnel and what it's all about. So basically, you've got a 7-day leads that help you to get the clients and grow your business to the next level by following a simple and proven strategy to generate quality leads on demand. So the exact method and many of the students have used to get leads fast. So basically, she's shown you step by step what to do. So on the front end, throughout this launch, you've got $17 for the first front end product. Then you've got an upgrade of $37 and a downsell of $27, so you can get a discount on that one. Then you've got a second upgrade for $37 and also a downsell for $27. And then you've got an upgrade 3, which is $333 per month, and a downsell, which is a trial for $33. So let's see what that includes. Your front end is the all-powerful Leads Transformers software and the training modules. Then you've got your upsell, which includes the done-for-you package, 51 wisdom campaigns, PSD files, 80 done-for-you engagement posts, 30 done-for-you motivational posts, 80 done-for-you value posts. Then upsell 2 is the auto community growth, basically over-the-shoulder videos showing you how you can grow a community on autopilot, how to grow your email list automatically, and some done-for-you prospecting email campaigns and Facebook messages. Upsell number 3 is the Business Transformers program, and that's the $333 a month product. Instant access to coaching that will allow you how to take this method and grow it to the next level, and how to develop a high ticket offer, and how to launch it successfully in 3 weeks or less, how to position yourself as an authority, and how to set up a high ticket funnel that converts, with 2 weekly coaching calls and accountability group. So that is showing you again step by step, but also includes personal coaching from Ivana and a group coach from joining a group. So basically that is what you have with the Leads Transformer challenge. And further down on my bonus page, you can see Ivana herself explain inside of the members area, so you can watch that. And again, if you click the link below this video, you'll be able to see this. And let's get into my bonuses. So all of these bonuses are available through my mentor, John Armstrong. So on that first bonus, which is available through my mentor, John Armstrong, we've got a hack, which is access to Atomic, which is a done-for-you product. Basically, it's a training and software that shows you how you can use Pinterest in order to grow your business and attract leads, to get traffic from Pinterest. The second bonus I have is how to make an email capture. So basically, it's like a landing page. An email capture is where people are focused on just putting in their email to get whatever it is that you were giving away or giving them as a special price. And that's how to make an email capture. And the third bonus that I have is Recastly. Recastly monetizing strategy number 1. Now this is basically where you can repurpose content that you've already created by using different titles and putting different subtitles. And it's another training that you can use to increase and generate traffic for any of your affiliate offers. Bonus number 4 is license rights to Aurora. Basically, the license rights means that you can resell the Aurora product and get 100% commission on reselling that product. And bonus number 5, again, you would receive all of the vendor bonuses when you purchase the product through the link that's in the description below this video. So now, obviously, you've got 3 days of this launch remaining. The launch gone live on the 20th of July at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. And if you click on any of the buttons on my bonus page link, you'll be taken to the sales page where you'll be able to purchase the product for $17. Now, when you purchase the product for $17, you would get this type of receipt from Warrior Plus, and on this blue button here is where you would be able to access all of the affiliate, all of the bonuses that have been put together. Right, so now let's go take a look at the sales page. So basically the sales page is telling you that this full-time mum has cracked the code to Facebook. She's attracting 100% high quality leads using a simple and 100% free method. It's not paid advertising, it's all organic. It's basically where you post something on the social media platform and you basically are attracting through organic method lots of people who want to click for whatever it is, whatever offer that you're posting about, and it often goes viral. So you can end up with lots, like from 10, like 60 to 70 people clicking to hundreds of people clicking in order to receive the offer that you're posting about. So basically these is like some quick examples of how she does this thing, where she's posted, are you interested in a masterclass that shows you how to build and automate your lead generation through Facebook groups? Drop a yes. 166 comments. I'm considering running a 24-hour challenge that helps you to attract at least 10 high-ticket leads in 24 hours. Interested? 61 comments. So this is the method that Ivana is using. Right, so now let's have a look at the members area of the product. This is Ivana, and this is the overview of the first video on the members area, where she would be telling you more about the product. But as you can see down this side of the members area, you've got your day 0, which is your preparation. And that there is these videos in here which go step by step through, and then you've got day 1, which you've got the 12 short videos, which then you start on day 1 follow all those videos and implement as you're going along, because it's no good listening to the videos and then not implementing what Ivana is going to be telling you. Then you've got your day 2, your day 3, your day 4. So it's all split down, and that's how it's a challenge. Within 7 days, you can transform your Facebook profile or your Facebook page and then start attracting the leads that you need to help to grow your business. Then you've got bonuses, one-on-one call, and you've got bonus 2, the case study, which is a $997 case study. There's a video there that will take you through that or walk you through that. Then you've got a closed door mastermind group that's been set up for this product. And then you've got your done for you campaigns, and you've got your community growth, and you've got your business transformers program. So as you can see, this product is quite comprehensive. She hasn't left you struggling in any way, because everything is a basic step-by-step process and a day-by-day follow the videos program. And I think for $17, it's a fantastic opportunity to learn more about how you can make your business grow. So that's basically the Leads Transformers Challenge in a nutshell. And once again, you can collect all of the bonuses that I have on offer through my bonus page link, which is in the description below this video. And so I'll see you on the next review, and bye for now.